In Philadelphia, the major update includes 6 new vaccination clinics at 3 different sites. Community Academy Charter School in Northeast Philly, MLK Older Adult Center in North Philly, and University of the Sciences in West Philly will each host 2 vaccination clinics a week. The city health department will run them and offer 3,000 shots a week.
I realize that many people want this vaccine. I'm really glad that they do want this vaccine.
While there's not enough vaccine to meet the demand yet, the city's distribution channels are finally becoming clear.
We now have ShopRite with 3 locations and Walgreens with 11 locations and Rite Aid offering vaccination.
The federal government has already shipped 4,400 doses direct to Philly pharmacies. That leaves the health department free to distribute its growing but small weekly supply, now up to about 25,000 doses. While multiple city hospitals are now stepping up to vaccinate patients, Dr. Farley says they won't get any fresh doses this week.
Is there an overflow supply in hospitals right now?
You know, there is vaccine stored in hospitals and clinics and pharmacies. There is a certain inventory throughout the system. It's more than I'd like it to be. I'd like, every dose to be in people's arms. But it was definitely enough in the hospitals that we felt that this week they didn't need to have any doses.
The commissioner says it will take most of February to vaccinate the city's Group 1B. That includes anyone 75 and older, first responders, transit workers, and people with medical conditions, including cancer and diabetes. While the rest of us wait, city restaurants got a shot in the arm. Starting Friday, if they pass an air quality test, turning over the air every 4 minutes, they can fill half the dining room.
And many businesses can now take some action to get their employees in Philadelphia's vaccination line. The city just posted this link for businesses that employ people in groups 1B and 1C. That includes people who work at banks, people who work in classrooms, at construction sites, and in media. That's the latest from Philly. I'm Mitch Blacher, NBC10 News.